Hello guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to maximize our group, the winning team, and how you can coach your team to in using this group. So right now I'm going to the group, Winning Team Forever Knowledge Sharing. So if you're not yet a part of this group, please ask your upline to invite you. Okay, so in this group, we post all the announcements, business presentation, and things that you need to know about forever. And also very important is there is guides here. So this guide, okay, you can find all the necessary information that is you're looking for. For example, you're looking something for product information. You go to guide one, and here, okay, there are some videos, there are some tutorials that you can watch about certain products. So you just need to scroll down and you should find it. Okay, most of the frequently asked questions about the product are here, explanations, training, and I would encourage you to watch each and every one so that when your team or downline asks you, you know where to find it. Okay. Second is tools and literature. This one. Okay. Guide number two. You can see here. Yeah, tools and literature. So if you're looking for a brochure, a catalog, a script, price list, all of those are here. Okay, so we have a lot of tools and literature. Then we have for assistant supervisors video, supervisor videos, assistant manager video, things that's very essential with your business. So I hope this video helps you understand more about the group, okay, the winning team group, and uh, make sure you and your team members are a part of this group because they can find all the announcement discussions that we've been having in this group. Thank you very much and have a great day.